Igbo Affirmation Process, Igo Ofo, is not a form of prayer that seeks universal or cosmic intervention. Rather, Igo Ofo is the process of programming and reprogramming our consciousness in order to achieve or manifest a reality. It is the act of universal manipulation of energies and mindsets that are intertwined with us in our existence. When we affirm, we are indirectly or directly programming and reprogramming our mindsets and things we wish to achieve. Therefore, this process is more or less a battle of our mind and a battle of our wits. Remember, when we say words are powerful, we are simply saying that words become our reality when we put those words into action. Therefore, affirm your intentions and see it become your